Hi everybody, as promised in my last video, today I'm going to install pretty lightweight desktop environment XFCE on top of base Arch Linux. We'll need only two commands to achieve that. Let's get into it. First, I'll start my virtual machine, log in with root and password, pacman -S xorg xinit xorg server XFCE4 XFCE4 goodies, lightdm-gtk-greeter, lightdm-gtk-greeter-settings, and network manager applet. Enter. Xorg is our display server, XFCE4 is our desktop environment, lightdm is an initiator for our desktop environment, and it has greeter, which is login screen. And I'll skip everything with enter. It's downloading the packages. It may take several minutes. Now we'll send an XFCE session starter command into .xinit-rc file inside root. Echo space quote exec space start XFCE for quote space greater than space tilde / .xinit-rc. Enter. Start X to start the desktop environment. Enter. And a nice and shine XFCE ready to use. That was it. Thanks for watching.